So what's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and yeah, welcome to the month of February. And I'm going to run your quick roundup. I haven't been trading actively since Tuesday. Um, since Tuesday, yeah. I've been having this kind of mental fog, and I have been concentrating on the chat, and I also don't want to um send the wrong setups to my group, my Instagram group. So I had to take a break for like 4 days. Yeah, it's a break though. So yeah, I'm back to the chat, and a lot has happened. From gold crash to GPUSD crash to silver crash, everything has been crashing. And yeah, that's what I've been expecting also. It's not like it's going to be going up always. I'm also expecting more crash as as the day goes on, as the week goes on this week. So yeah, let's move into the chat, and I just want to check if we can see any type of setup. You understand? And that presented during the week that we missed. That if not, then it's cool. So let's start from gold. So on Monday, 26th of December, is a Monday. It's Monday, 26th of January or December. I so what we're looking for is typical BOS. Either we get this or we get this. This for sales, this for buys. This is our setup A. And then the setup B is this, our traditional break and retest. This, vice versa, the sales. So we should be looking for entries around this level, this level, this level also. Once for other blocks. So if I take it trade on this one, if I take it at the other block, I take trade on this one, we're taking it at this break. So yeah, let's look for this in. I know you guys had this in mind as a picture in your mind because this is off my head also. So I can't just leave the screenshot. Here. So I'm going to delete everything. So yeah, at this place we didn't have any break of structure, candle break of structure, candle. But I give a candle break of structure in a session. So my camera is messing up, so I don't know what's wrong with it today. But if you can hear my voice, I think my voice is more important than my face. So yeah, this here, if you are looking for entries in this session. So here we don't have any break of structure, can't do break of structure after the market open. So we have to wait till New York. And during New York, we didn't say anything. So automatically, this day it's a no trading day. If we had waited during this session, so this is 7 p.m., 8 p.m. So we're going to be taking trade by that time because it's going to enter into a swing trade. So yeah, it delivered like 70 pips, I think, like 700 pips. I don't know, but yeah, price delivered. And then moving on to the next day, which is Tuesday, we didn't have any clear candle break of structure for longs. So we have to wait till New York. And then when New York came out, we had this nice break of structure here, the USA. This is a break of structure inside the session. So which one is our other block here? We are going to be using for longs. This one. It's our other block here. So this other block is how many pips stop loss? That's like 30 pips, 32 pips stop loss. But I noticed that when it comes to my trading pattern, like in gold, I don't used to get drawdowns in trade. Like it either taps and go or it doesn't tap at all. You understand? So when this one came back, that was around 6 p.m. So I wouldn't be keeping this trade active then. But this was the projection. This was the projection. Yeah, and then moving up. So I wouldn't keep this trade active, but this what is going to is have to look like. Break of structure low, break of structure high, return, test, boom. So that's for Tuesday. Then moving on to Wednesday, and recently I want to enter into swing trading. You guys see that there is money in swing trading, so I have to start swinging now. But apart from that, I also noticed that in gold, you either be a scalper or you be a swing trader. Day trading doesn't actually make sense in gold because it looks like you're leaving money on the table. So yeah, coming back here, during New York, nothing. But during London, we have a break of structure with a candle here. This is nice BOS with a candle. And then we have this whole block as our other block, this whole block. But it's too huge. So left for me, I'll be using this, I'll be using this only. I'll be using this candle only. In the rectangle. I'll be using this candle only, or I'll use this candle only. This one for the other block. So this like this. 28 pips is not bad for this huge move. So yeah, it's worth it. This is our second end trade for this week. We would have gotten this week. That is Wednesday. And then moving on to Thursday, the day that the huge dump happened. And here, obviously, we will still be looking for buys at this point. So, but we didn't see any buys here. No because of the buys. And this one don't have no BOS in that session with candle. So, we should be expecting nothing more of, kind of well, we should look for BOS for us to look go longs and then this happened. Wow. So yeah, this should be sending a signal that I think we're in a sell trend now, not long again. So I should be looking for sales, okay? Then on Friday, this happened on London. This is an example of our entry on London. But why I don't like trading good on London is because gold moves on New York, and if it does any move on London, it will probably retest those moves. So this is our other block here. This one. This is our other block here. Last bullish candle before the bearish move. Yeah. Even if it doesn't test it, I should be using instant execution on that also. As a shot. And then I'll put myself just slightly above this area. But the time that this happened is giving no trading time zone. This is inside here. I don't like trading inside here because you either ping me here or either ping me here at this level or I wait for New York. Then New York came out. New York gave that's what I call a momentum entry. When price is pushing down and you're trying to enter into it. So this is it. It's a momentum entry. When one candle breaks structure, then pulls back immediately, you can enter a trade here. So, but this type of trading, I don't advise it. So, in gold, we got only two entries on gold. And let's move to silver, which is this. Silver moves exactly like gold, if not just more different. So this is silver, and I have a strategy for silver. I do only BOS at any time. It mustn't be a London BOS or New BOS. It has to be BOS at any time. This is example of what I'm saying. Bam, 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 bam. I don't know if you guys see what I did. Bam, 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 boom. This is the BOS here. This is the BOS. So let me mark the BOS here, and then this is our entry here. This is our entry candle here. Then we have to go long here. So this is our long. Yeah, we got a little bit of stop, a little bit of stop loss. That is like 10 pips. I don't know how to go calculate the stop loss, but I can calculate the stop loss. And then this happened in one session. See how crazy this happened in one session. Very, very crazy in one session. This would have turned $100 into what is 1,000? Over 1,000. So yeah, moving on to here. This is there's no entry here. I can't take trade in this block because it's inside Asian session and I can't be taking entry inside that. So I will just ignore it. And then I can't take a sell because my overall bias is bullish. First thing you have to do is to identify your bias, identify shift in structure, confirmation on at least BOS, and then entry. So yeah, this we are still having our trend at the back of our mind. Buys, we're looking for buys. So this is a BOS, this is a BOS for buys. This is a BOS low, this is a BOS high for buys. This can be our entry execution candle. This one here. So we should be taking this trade on Wednesday, and then you can see the outcome. This one. So if you targeted 1 to 2, you would have hit our take profit. Because I drafted this management pattern that once price goes one is to one in the volatile market, like maybe gold, I have to at least move to break even. One is to one, maybe 20 pips or 200 pips or 300 pips. Can move to break even. Then if you go to 400 to 500 pips, then we can trade to 200 pips top loss. Then when it's moving higher, we can be trading it. So in this scenario, we would have left with maybe 2 hours before price hits our stop loss. Then still on the buys, this BS low, BS high, and then we should be waiting for price to come back and target in this level. But we'll get this massive huge candle, we'll be our stop loss. So all the week we would have gotten only one stop loss from gold, from silver, if we enter this trade here. That will be our stop loss. And then Friday, we would have recovered it with this massive sell. Like I said, that's what we call momentum entry. This type of entry, one candle break. Yeah. Then you enter it immediately with a one candle pullback. I love this type of entry because it moves faster than you can imagine. This type of entry, yeah, and then the rest is history. If you have held this trade up to this extent, I don't know what I'll be telling you. But yeah, that is exactly how I feel. And I found out that these two pairs, gold and silver, goes in line with my um strategy. So I've been testing US 30 and Nasdaq, but I don't want to be doing currencies again. So that's why I'm testing US 30 and Nasdaq. I saw USD card, but I don't want to be testing. I don't want to be testing currencies again. I want to be testing on commodities and indices. The only currency I'm going to test is only GBP So GBP on Monday, GBP is like one of my easiest pair I trade. It's easy because it gives me a lot of clarity when I'm trading it. So yeah, coming to GBUSD, we wouldn't not trade on Monday. Nothing feels like yeah, we're coming back on a bullish trend. So I'm waiting for BOS for this high before I enter a trade. But no BOS here, so no trade. Then this is a BOS, then no pullback to this entry, this entry. Yeah. This candle break this structure. So I'm expecting this one to come back to this level. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I'm expecting this to come back to this level. I'm going to take a trade, but it didn't. So it pushed up. And then it break the structure in New York, Tuesday, New York, POS, AS2 came back. This is a set of two, and then we would have taken a long here. Sorry, long. with 24 pips. Yeah, we're going on TP though in GU. Easy on Tuesday. Then coming to Wednesday, we're still on buys, you understand? So we should be looking for buys. And then this is our BOS, first BOS, and then this is going to be a stop loss. No two ways about it. Because we're taking a trade from this other block here. And then that is our first stop loss on currency. One stop loss on gold. One stop loss on silver, one on GU. This is a stop loss on GU on Wednesday. And then coming to Friday, BOS here. We're looking for longs. So trend hasn't changed. But because when the trend changed, when price started taking these lows, that is on Friday. So yeah, we are still pretty much early on GBUSD. So you can see the numbers. Numbers here are very, very crazy. The silver number negative, the gold is -8, silver -56, gold GBSD minus almost 1%. So yeah, this is so total breakdown is one trade on GU this week. Two trades, one win, one loss. Then silver, we had three wins, one loss, and then gold is two wins only. Yeah, kind of slow. But that is it. And I have a signal book that is kicking off tomorrow. If you want to join, you can, come into the my DM and message me, and then I would enroll you. It's not that costly. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe if you haven't. Tomorrow we're going to hit it harder. Tomorrow. I'll see you guys.